Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play SAWA, RAFF MSHAIRI. This one was a request that was made by one of you, so here is the tutorial. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. If you learned from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload the tutorials. So without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of G, and the progression is 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 you will play for 2 bars. Then 5. So 6, 4, which is D, 5, sorry, and then 4, 5, 6. E minor, D chord. So this D chord, and then C, D, E minor. E minor chord, I am using my middle and ring finger to hold. String number 5, middle finger. String number 4, ring finger, both on the same fret, which is fret 2. So you can play that E minor here, which is open. You can also use or play the backward form of the E minor chord, where you will, of course, bar your 7th fret with the 7th fret. Pointer finger will bar string 1 to 5. Middle finger will play string number 2 on the 8th fret. Ring finger will play string number 4 on the 9th fret, and small finger will play string number 3 on the 9th fret. So this is E minor chord backward form. So E minor, the other chord that follows will be a D chord. So D chord, there are many options that you can play the D chord. So D chord here, middle finger will be playing string number 1 on the 2nd fret, pointer finger playing string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and your ring finger playing string number 2 on the 3rd fret. So that's D chord. So you can either play the D chord SO, or you can decide and play it SO. So in this form of D chord, I am using my pointer finger to play string number 6 on the 2nd fret, my middle finger playing string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and my small finger playing string number 2, 3rd fret. So the difference here is that my pointer finger now, instead of playing the D, this note here, which is the F sharp, I'm playing it on top with my pointer finger. And then the C chord, C, pointer finger string number 2 on the 1st fret, middle finger string number 4 on the 2nd fret, ring finger string number 5 on the 3rd fret. So you can also play this version of C chord, where I lose the pointer finger, and then with my small finger I'm playing string number 2 on the 3rd fret. So that's C. So all together, so remember, the first E minor is 2 bars. Then D, C, D, E minor. So I might be playing it a bit fast, so well, I would suggest that you go and listen to the song so that you can have the right pace of the progression. So ideally that's how we're gonna play the song. So this back chord here is a D chord and this is C chord. So well, that's how you're gonna play the song. It's not a hard song, so I believe that you'll be able to play this song. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have a request down there, subscribe, hit that thumbs up if you learned from this tutorial. So let's see each other on the next one.